this is it.
Yeah, I think it's a cool thing. 100 years is a significant milestone for anything. It's important that they enable the legacy of what comes with being involved here to come down and filter down into the grandchildren so that they are willingly involved going forward.
Some of us are here for kaupapa kapaka. Some of our kids are just here to play, but the main kaupapa is whakanuitanga. We just come to be part of our marae, and that is my biggest hope, in that another 100 years from now, another 3 or 4 generations from now, they still talk about the people, that it's not just the place, that our history is a living history because we speak about it, and we speak about those people every single day.
Just come and be at the marae. It's probably the best advice or anything I could give, is just to be here.
I like that the centenary is a celebration of not only remembering the building of our whare tūpuna, but it's also remembering the people who were involved in building our whare tūpuna. We've created a safe space. We've created a safe space where we don't whakaiti one another, that you can come in, your first kai kōrero is on this marae, your first time of being a kai karanga is on this marae.
We're in a good position at this time to be bold and be grateful, be happy that we have a whare tūpuna, a marae, that us under the amana of Te Roro, Te Rangi, we are very grateful.
That is my ultimate moimoe, that we never lose that here. There are corporate maraes what are used for X, Y, Z, and there are maraes what you only go back for tangi and stuff like that, but that magic of our marae, that it lives and breathes and embraces and welcomes people every day, is never lost.